A rhetorical question is a question the speaker asks without expecting an answer. Here are some potential effects a rhetorical question can have on the audience. It can spark curiosity about a topic, make the audience consider a new perspective, create an emotional response, allow the audience to follow steps of logic, encourage active participation or listening, or make a point seem obvious or intuitive. Here's an example of rhetorical questions. This is an excerpt from Malala Yousafzai's Nobel lecture. Dear sisters and brothers, the so-called world of adults may understand it, but we children don't. Why is it that countries which we call strong are so powerful in creating wars, but are so weak in bringing peace? Why is it that giving guns is so easy, but giving books is so hard? Why is it that making tanks is so easy, but building schools is so hard? In this highlighted section, the speaker asks 3 rhetorical questions to explain an important point, which is that countries often focus on increasing their military capabilities and waging war rather than concentrating on basic needs such as peace and education. Through these questions, the speaker is explaining the youth's perspective. Although adults may think children are naive, children are actually attuned to the fact that the priorities of adults are clearly skewed. There's another rhetorical strategy included in this excerpt. Comment down below if you can identify it. In the comments below, let me know any other rhetorical strategies you'd like to learn. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the bell to receive notifications whenever I make a new video. I will see you next time.